Have you ever heard of a desert-dwelling antelope that looks like it stepped right out of a fantasy novel? Meet the Addax, a creature so unique it's often called the white antelope or the Screwhorn antelope. And those names give you a pretty good clue about what makes them so special. First, let's talk about their looks. The Addax has this stunning, almost ghostly white coat during the summer. It's not just beautiful, it's a brilliant adaptation that helps reflect the intense desert sun. But when winter comes, they pull a quick change, and their coat turns a grayish-brown to better absorb heat. Talk about a seasonal wardrobe. And then there are those horns. Both males and females sport these long, twisting horns that can grow up to 3 feet long. They spiral outwards in a way that's just breathtaking. They aren't just for show either. Males use them to establish dominance and compete for mates. Imagine seeing 2 of these magnificent animals sparring under the desert sky. Now, living in the Sahara Desert, one of the harshest environments on Earth, is no easy feat. But the Addax is a master of survival. They can get almost all the water they need from the plants they eat, like desert grasses and succulents. This means they can go for incredibly long periods without ever taking a drink of water. How amazing is that? They're mostly active during the cooler parts of the day, like dawn and dusk, to avoid the scorching midday heat. Their hooves are also specially designed for this environment. They're broad and flat, acting like natural snowshoes, or maybe sandshoes, preventing them from sinking into the soft sand as they travel across the vast dunes in search of food. They are true nomads of the desert, constantly on the move. Sadly, this incredible species is facing a tough battle for survival. The Addax is critically endangered. Their numbers in the wild have dropped dramatically, mostly due to overhunting and habitat loss from things like oil exploration and droughts caused by climate change. It's a heartbreaking reality that this ancient, resilient animal is on the very brink of disappearing forever. But there is hope. Conservation groups and zoos around the world are working tirelessly to protect the Addax. They've established breeding programs to increase their population in protected environments. The ultimate goal is to reintroduce them back into safe, well-managed areas of their native habitat. These efforts are a lifeline for the Addax. Every single one of these animals is precious. By learning about them and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that the Screwhorn antelope continues to roam the desert sands for generations to come. They are a living testament to the power of adaptation and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to learn about the magnificent Addax. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more stories about our planet's incredible wildlife. See you next time.